How did pirates collaborate before computers?
How?
Peer-to-peer networking.
Well, thank you for joining today's session. Today's session is going to be on avoiding PLM and D365 integration challenges. On the call today, we've got about 50 years of collective experience in the manufacturing and Dynamics 365 space. So we're going to walk through what those challenges are and what is really going to help you resolve those challenges. So starting on the technical side, Eric, you've got a lot of experience in this space. Maybe you can give us an idea of what those challenges look like at a technical level.
Yes, definitely. The technical issues can be in different areas. Technology-wise, of course, you have two systems that you need to communicate with, and those systems, they have to have an integration. I see, first of all, sometimes security issues to can get the data through, and secondly, of course, we need to agree upon what will be the format. What technology do we bring? Do we do it file-based? Do it web service-based? And those are the things that technical-wise I see. But there's also something on data, of course. That's quality of data. How is that? And can we use it in the receiving system? So that's something that I think are both very valid for technical issues.
And then on those, I guess, softer issues, maybe Mike, you can weigh in on the people or the organizational change level issues that come up in that integration.
Yeah, this is probably the number one critical success factor for these types of projects is people are the biggest important piece of this, and it's the change around that, really being aware of that, especially around your engineering teams, if they're ready for change, in addition to all the stakeholders that are going to be in the ERP system also, that they're informed and prepared of how the different finance, production, warehouse management modules and how the PLM is going to integrate into the system and change their day-to-day work processes.
Perfect. And then with that comes a lot of business impacts. I mean, Eric, you've seen a lot of these integrations. Can you talk a little bit about what you've seen from a business impact standpoint?
The business impact is, first of all, planning. Because what is our starting point? Do we start on doing a PLM system first or an ERP or both at the same time? Or do we have already something running and ERP will be implemented afterwards? So there are different things in there in planning to make sure that everything is going correct, right? That you have, and you're not going over time when you do implementation. And that is really a planning challenge. And of course, if you then uh, get this set up in the business, is the business prepared? Do they align with the plan? Can they easily engineers move from one system to another, for example?
So a lot of impacts. I mean, this is a big challenge. So if you're an organization that's thinking about making that leap into integrating PLM to D365, reach out to the Encore team. They, along with our team, can help advise you on the best path forward. Thanks.